In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can enhance your laptop or PC's display by learning the full screen shortcuts and taskbar settings in under 2 minutes. Whether you're watching a movie or working in a browser, removing borders and menus help you focus on your content. So let's get started. So basically, if you open any apps, you'll notice the window borders and the top menu bar taking up screen space. This can be distracting, especially on smaller laptop screens when a video is playing. So to go full screen, instantly press the F11 key on your keyboard and the borders will disappear and only your video will remain. If F11 does not work, try holding the F key and press F11, as some laptops require the function toggle for media keys. Pressing F11 again will switch back to the windowed mode, allowing you to quickly switch between multitasking and immersive viewing. But what if you want to keep your windowed layout and hide the Windows taskbar at the bottom? For that, you need to right-click on an empty space on your taskbar, then select Taskbar Settings from the bottom. And here in this page, you'll get the option of automatically hide the taskbar. In the desktop mode, go ahead and enable this option and your taskbar will disappear instantly. It will immediately slide out of the view, giving you an extra room at the bottom of every app. To bring it back, you can simply hover your mouse at the very bottom of your screen, and this offers a great balance between accessibility and a clean workspace. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.